Usuário ng di plataforma social TikTok América está desesperado mirando que en 2 días lo entra na vigor a lei de proibição de TikTok na país. Pero milhão de usuários não têm esperança ainda que o presidente Joe Biden, presidente eleito Donald Trump, ou a Corte Supremo por intervenir na delaster momento.
Emotions are running high for TikTok creators.
This is like the first place that I have felt like I could just be myself.
For many, it's not a hobby, it's a job.
This has changed my life financially.
TikTok has 170 million monthly users in the United States, and by its estimate, some 2 million content creators could lose $300 million in just 1 month.
Estella Struck founded a marketing agency to help sustainable brands grow on social media.
I have been telling my creators to prepare for this and all of their TikTok videos and repurposing them to YouTube Shorts and then Instagram trial reels. We will see a new era of new creators rise to the top.
Gohar Khan got into not 1, but 6 Ivy League colleges. He then started creating TikTok videos in 2020, giving college advice. Now he's partnered with companies including Google, Best Buy, and Adobe, and earns up to 5 figures a post.
It wasn't after I secured my first brand deal when I realized that this could be possible financially and that I could potentially make a living from this.
A lot of people just say it's simple, just, move to a different platform. Is it that simple to just replace the monetization you get on TikTok with, say, Instagram?
Definitely not. So repurposing your content or reposting your content to these other channels, that part is simple. But to assume that the other channels and that these other platforms will pick your content up in the same way, that's difficult because the TikTok algorithm is different from, say, the Instagram Reels algorithm or the YouTube algorithm.
If TikTok is banned, the app won't necessarily disappear from people's phones.
It's not really going anywhere, you just can't download it, so at least we'll have time before, the bugs take over. Wow, I feel like I'm in, we're in a zombie apocalypse.
Nobody really knows what will happen on day 1. It's likely to be unavailable on app stores for download or updates. One solution for the creators: find a new content home. Anna Stewart, CNN, London.
Ipesang ko ta fanatico di saga di Twilight, Lego lança set novo dedicado na película aqui. Fanatico na loportraja modelo de casa de família Cullen, que set ko ta consisti di 2000 pida. E tem 7 minifigura, entre outro Bella Swan e Edward Cullen. Lego ta bisa ko casto modelo di 3 piso e din karakteristika ng kulota familiar pa fanatico na di película, manera e piano grande din sala. E set agora diseñado para hombre que te gusta Lego y Twilight. Ella entrega el diseño como parte del Lego Ideas Program y millones de gente a vota para el diseño vira un set real. De februario elo salió a venta, pero Lego a comienza a tomar orden en cava. La compañía japonesa de juega Nintendo a una fanático de console de juega Switch vista de tan esperada Switch 2, avisando que lo lanza el console año aquí mes. Nintendo ha revelado alguna imagen de diseño y un trailer con el Switch lo muestra, aunque no ha revelado el día exacto del lanzamiento y tampoco cuánto el Switch lo costa. La empresa está indicando que el Switch está jugando tanto juego físico como digital. Más detalles lo se revelará en abril. Además, Nintendo ha programado varios eventos en el mundo pensando que experienciar el Switch 2 y hacer más del producto. Y juega Super Mario's Gorilla Buddy Donkey Kong ahora obtenible en HD para varios consoles de juego.
Donkey Kong and Diddy Kong in HD. Nintendo has released Donkey Kong Country Returns HD for the Switch console. Originally playable back in 2010 on the Wii console, the DK adventure finds the simian duo chasing after a tribe of characters that have stolen their banana horde. Gamers can live out their chocolatier fantasies in Chocolate Factory Simulator. Set in a steampunk-inspired setting, players learn to craft cocoa confections with the help of a steam-powered robot named Nougat. The sweet sim is playable now on PC via Steam.
While hunting for legendary treasure, I found myself stranded on a mystical island.
Avast, mateys! Hoist the mainsail and hide the rum! Pirates VR Jolly Roger is a virtual reality adventure putting players in a pirate's boots as they explore a mysterious island in immersive first-person views. The game is playable now through Steam VR, with plans afoot for PlayStation VR 2 later in the year. Leveling up in Hollywood, I'm Rick Damagella.
Step into my boots.
Alanza e portret oficial di presidente Donald Trump promete inauguração de dia 20 de januari. Lo mira e portret aqui do White House, tur departamento de governo, como também na embajada americana rond mundo. Mester bisa ku e not um portret muito tradicional, se compare com o sunco Trump a saca de 2017, tempo que la bira é de 45 presidente de América, camina tamire com smile e cabelo bom penha. Hope experto ku analisar e portret mais recém aqui, tabisa que Trump sua expressão para o portret 2025 ta mostra sua personalidade, como também provavelmente ta refleja o mensagem que tem para o mundo com mercado sobresalir viaje mais como o país mais poderoso e respeitar globalmente nos seguintes 4 anos com Trump como presidente.
Mira'ki. Mira'ki.